Ngoja ngoja. Ama iko. Hapo sawa. Hai. Arudi juu. Yeah. Down. Alia. Kana mama huko. Hey, what's up guys? A very good morning to you, good afternoon and good evening. Finally guys, our tractor is here. We are in Nyabohanse village and the big day is here. I'm so much excited. It's been sleepless nights, but finally our tractor has arrived home. I'm even here with Mr. Liam. Liam, hii inaitwa aje? Inaitwa aje? Sema tractor. Tractor. Yeah, Liam is so much excited. I'm telling him it's for our home. He's telling me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me. But finally, our big tractor is here. So I came to escort him. I think he has gone to have some breakfast. I wish, because I was still at the border town, so we hadn't communicated well because we had already prepared breakfast in our home. But we're here. Safi sana jo. Asante. Kungangana mdogo mdogo. Yeah. Yes, so hongera means congratulations. But this one is not officially mine. You know, it's for our family. It's a family property. The Nasto's family and our extended family. So I wouldn't want to take all the credit as my tractor. So this one is a family tractor, but it will be staying at my place. Meanwhile, I think our Hello. Vipi? Sina maneno. Auspande. Yeah, we are here. We are waiting now for the driver to come. I think he's in one of the hotels because it was a very long journey. We started yesterday around 12 a.m. around 12, I think it's p.m. 12 midday. There were 2 tractors, so he had to transport one to Kehancha and one now to our home. So the other one that was behind here has already been offloaded. So now this one is the one that is going to be offloaded in our home. So from here, it's not that far, but at least I gave him some direction. I told one of our friends here that when you see a tractor coming, at least tell them to park somewhere. I'm also very much excited because it's been a full week trying to find a good tractor so that at least it can arrive safely at home. But the bad news is we don't have a jembe. Everyone is telling me there are so many works. For example, this shamba that you're seeing here has not been prepared. We have several farms that have not yet been prepared. But yeah, I believe we'll still find some work. This is Mr. Chacha is telling me, how do you see this? Will it help the village? Kabisa, sindio? Tutasaidia. Yeah, because mingi zenye tuko nazo si za huku. Zinatoka Kalenjin huko. Very far. They usually come from very far. So wakikuja hapa wanalima kwa gharama ya juu. The price is very expensive. Yeah, hopefully guys will get some of the local jobs here. And also we'll not just focus only in Nyabohanse. I think we'll try Migori County or even Kisii or even Tanzania. Sisi zinaenda kulima Tanzania. Kama hazivukangi. Huwezi vuka. Migori County na Kisii labda. Na Narok kwenda huko ndani.
Ni Migori County na Narok.
Maana sisi
tuko karibu na Narok
at the border. Yeah, so hopefully it's going to dig very fast. So we're going to look for a jembe.
But meanwhile, yes. Hii kitu.
Yeah.
Kusema tu kweli, hatuna tinga ya kulima hapa.
Hakuna.
Kwa sababu ukiangalia kutoka Mabera mpaka Sirari yote Kihanja, hatuna tinga ya kulima. Unaona? Na zinakujaga kutoka huko Kalenjin.
Kericho and very far. So it will be a relief at least for the village. So hopefully maybe before all the shambas finish, at least we are going to get some good tenders, or we're going to get at least our tractor. So we pray to God that everything goes well, at least to get the machinery, the jembe, and maybe the trailer. By God's grace. So my cousin is here, Mr. Mabere Musa. Mr. Mabere,
yes.
How are you? Morning.
Morning.
Yes. Everything okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So I was like coming to take breakfast in the town. Like people told me.
Oh, the tractor has arrived.
So
it's finally here. It's finally here.
That's very new.
It's a good one. There's someone burning some dustbin here. So this is how.
So it's 0 mileage.
0 mileage. Tapatana, yes. So it's 0 mileage.
So in your
you know for this one, they don't count mileage. They count hours.
I saw in hours. I saw in your video hours.
We even learned that it's about hours, not really about the mileage. It's brand new. It's very new.
And I love the front wheel.
It's a 4-wheel.
The last time I went with the other pole.
It's a 2-wheel.
It's a 2-wheel, and controlling it's a bit hard. But
this one, it's
when it sets
in the line, it's very easy for you just to focus with it.
Congratulations, that's a good thing.
We appreciate. I think the driver is calling me now. Hello, niko hapa kwa tinga. Niko hapa kabisa. Niko hapa, nishafika. Yes sir. Nimeshafika. So that's our driver calling us, just trying to confirm if we are already here. I think he has gone to have some breakfasts because it was a very Liam shuka mshukisha driver asikuja azushi. Maybe asikuja anguke na haijafika. So Liam is excited. He wants to go up the chair. It's a good tractor. It's a good tractor. If we take good care of it, it will take good care of us. So maybe next time we get a jembe. I didn't come with a jembe.
So it's going to park.
It's going to park. It's better than coming with nothing.
Nasto.
Yeah? Wapi? They're saying they want to go and bless the tractor. So this was the truck that brought it. Tafuta tu pole pole.
Tunapeleka kitu tuende kuipariki.
Wapi?
Nyumbani. Mpaka tuende tuipariki.
Jom. Nimeshukuru. Safi sana. Yes. Tasaidia. Nimeshukuru.
Niambia huyu brother wangu alete hii kitu hapa.
Itasaidia huko.
Kitu ni nzuri bwana. Kitu ni nzuri.
Tukilinda vizuri itatusavu kabisa.
Tarete ndio inapatia hardware. Kitu na trailer.
Nitatafuta trailer na jembe sasa. Na haro.
Unaona?
Haro. At least. Ndio watu wengi kwa natulimia bila haro.
Ndio.
Kulima tu.
Hata haro unaweza kuna kombo iko Mabera. Haro iko Mabera imekaa.
Tutajaribu tupate tuone.
Ile kupotola boto.
Ile inafanya inakuwa smooth kabisa. Kama humu inataka haro kabisa. Inakuwa smooth. Hata ukipanda mchele ama kitu yoyote inashika kabisa. Yes. Kubariki aje tena, ishabarikiwa. Yes sir. Karibu Nyabwana. Yes. Thank you. Sasa huko ndio home. Huko ndio kwetu. Yes. Chia kemo siku moja. Inaenda nyumbani. Tangulie. Liam twende. Ingia kwa gari twende. Haibarikiwi hii. Tatafuta tu pole pole. Madereva tatafuta pole pole. Haya. Iko juu. 3. Fika 3. Haya, watatu nga. Hii ni kubwa kabisa. Hii ni jembe 3. Haya. Liam ingia twende. Yes. Twende. Yes, Musa vipi?
Yes, my cousin Berry.
Yeah?
Oh. Nani?
Oh, sawa basi. Sawa. Hai, koto home. Nifungulie. Lia. Ndio. Mbona tinga yetu? Iko aje? Iko smart. Yeah. Liam is saying the tractor is very smart. So there's this. So I think it will get inside our home. Yeah, I know it will get in. Liam is very curious. He goes smart. Yeah, because most of the farms now have been prepared. Yeah. I know also the prices, at least if we have one of our own here, I'm sure the prices will be a little bit fair, because once they travel back to maybe from very far to our village here, the prices usually go very high. So we'll try to work with the local prices here and there. Yeah. Record Tinga. Liam is our eka straight. Yeah. Asi hivyo. Hivi. Hivyo. Sasa unakula mandazi kapu? Ungoje kunywa na chai. Ama uko sawa? Uko sawa. Yeah, so that's the speed. Unanyongwa. Sinyongwa. Leta nikusaidie kamera. Yeah. Because he's eating. Hey, just look at how much money has passed us. You see? Our neighbor has already prepared everything. But now next season, by God's grace, hopefully we'll have already brought our djembe. So by next season we pray to God that at least most of these tenders now, sorry, we grab them by the neck. Actually we have very big farms, not so big, yeah, not like where I was in Nakuru, because those farms are a little much bigger. The maximum you can get here is maybe 8 acres, 10 acres. You can find bigger ones, but not in one place. So most are maximum maybe like 4 acres there. So finding a very big farm in ENQUIRIES here, especially in Nyabuhanse surroundings, is not easy. So, but thank God. Hey, Vumbi, there's a lot of dusts. Hey, ni ngumu. Singoje kunywa chai. Iko sawa? Uko na njaa. It's like this neighbor here has already tilled his. Kishika, sikiliza. Kishika mwambie. Ameshika. Bado. Oh, chacha fungua. Sukuma hivi. Oh, Tabidi. Ni sawa. Mwambie basi ateremke chini kidogo. Oh yeah, because of the height of our gate. Acha tu. little bit hard because of the height of our gate, so it's not able to get. Siende mbele, because I also want to park maybe inside. I wish I was in front. So we have to reverse. I think he wants to park it in a way that it can be a little bit easy for him. Maybe he wants to park with the rivers, I don't know his plan. So let me find for a place where we can park also. Let's look for. I wish you could just offload it on the road. So let's go in. Eh? Hapo itashuka? Itapita? Haiwezi. Haiwezi pita. Situngeshukishia hapa. So, umeanguka shimo? Mlango ni nzito.
Baba.
Tashushia tuko barabara. Ha. Tungeweka hapo machuma ishuke hapo. Si apaka hapo tuweke chuma. Yeah. You know the road is not so busy. I think he wants to get in with the rivers. I don't know their plan. Sasa itashukaje? Haiwezi ingia. Anyway, let's see how it's happening. Because you know we put the canopy. Aende mbele. Wanataka geuze. Simama huko Liam. Sitaki uende kwa barabara ugongo. Sawa. Angerudi bado kidogo. Arudi nyuma kidogo tu. Hapo. Hapo means there. Oh. Sasa nani anakupea yeye? Si hapa park tu hapa ama anafanya aje? Ulete mawe. Vumbi. Dust.
Vumbi.
Yeah, so. Lakini sasa amepark, si angepark.
Asi anashusha tu, si nikushusha anashusha.
itaenda kwa shimo huko. Hebu angalia nyuma huko.
Lakini ona, tungeenda mbele kidogo.
Ndio na. Ninafanya research yangu.
Kwa sababu ya shimo.
Sasa unajua ulikuwa yenda mbele kidogo.
Ndiko straight hapo. Huyu ni kijana yangu.
Mambo. Waje.
Mbele kidogo bro. Mbele kidogo kama nimerudi huko Sawa. Acha let me remove. I don't know. The car is packed well. Not so bad. Yeah. A good thing the driver has experience in driving the tractor, so he will just find a way of. Inawaka. Pisha huku, simama huku Liam. Siji kugonge. Nenda kwa mtaro.
Tena vumbi.
Hapo sasa.
Hapo sasa.
Hapo iko chonjo kabisa.
Ulifika saa ngapi?
Kitu saa 2. Nilisumbuka na matatu. Uliwahi. Uliwahi sana.
Nisikuweke, niliona uko na haraka sana.
Ya, nimeshukuru sana.
Nikasema tutakuweka.
Ingia Liam twende kwa nyumba. Pija huku, kuja upaka, kuja ingia hapa. Hapa. Hapo utaingia kwa mtaro. Ingia. So because we have packed bad, so at least let me take the car in.
Baba.
So Chacha has found some work. Yo! Nimeona.
Mama!
This fly is here.
Mama!
Yeah, I'm coming. Mama! Shuka basi. Fungua. Ndienda amefungua. Anataka kushuka akuje kwako. Anataka kuonesha tinga. Yeah, Liam is very much excited. So excited as I am. Yeah. We thank God. We really thank God for the journey masses. Also for the journey masses of our tractor. So let's get this one in the parking. Go and see where we can also help. So this is home for our new subscribers. Welcome to our humble home. This is where we stay. This is where we are going to store our tractor. I don't know if we'll build a storage. Yeah, we'll consult with family and see how everything goes by. It's very dry in our village. So dry. Yeah, but natumia baba. Sawa. Yes babe, how are you? Oh, I brought you some outdoor chairs. Liam, utaweza kubeba? Wezi. How are they? They are okay, yes? Ni nzito baba. Nzito. So this one will be for our outdoor. It's dry. Jose hajaimwagilia eh? Our grass are super dry.
So dry.
Kiti mzuri. You sit and you relax. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. 10. Simona vile huko kwetu hatuna tinga.
Sasa ule amesuka.
Yeye ni ambali.
Amesuka. Hapa kazi imeisha sasa.
Haiwezi isha.
Hapa kwetu kazi ni mingi.
Kazi ni mingi.
Kuna wakati unatafuta tractor.
Huwezi pata. Yeah, like now if you go to the market it's very hard for you to find a tractor.
Baba.
Mashamba yakifika. Maana hii mashamba yote yako hapa.
Yaweza. Tutakuwa tunaamkia, tunapiga.
Ndio sasa ni nini Nasto?
Yeah.
Ndio Nasto. Utaenda kuwa busy.
Yeah. Yes.
Unajua
hii gari ikishuka mtaipandia.
Sawa, yes.
Ndio Nasto.
Oh, yeah. We also have our box.
Utaenda kuwa busy.
Busy kabisa. We also have some of our boxes. Ingia kwa mtaro huko. Pole pole.
Nasto.
Yes sir.
Vitu zako.
Nimeshukuru sana. Nimeshukuru sana. Mtalia.
Nasto nyingine.
Hai. Sasa huku ndio nyumbani.
Nimeona home.
Huku ni home sasa. Yes. Peleka hii ndio tutafungua nyumbani utaona. Peleka hizo. So they are opening the ropes. Bado.
Yako.
Yangu.
Yako ulikuwa umesign.
Yako. Iko sign? Hai.
Usaini mbili sio huko?
Liam, usipande. Yes.
Fungua tinga hapo.
Oh.
Kisha. Unaona vitu zako Vile unipatia
Kabisa.
Hizo hapo Baba yangu umeniwekea hapo.
Liam.
Baba yangu
Umechila, si ukuja kwa hii. Kuna ingine hapa. Tuweke mama hapa juu. Pisha. You're the big lady. The boss lady. Acha boss lady akae hapa. Kaa hapo na mama. Wezi panda Liam. Yeah. Kaa hapo na mama. Liam. Kaa na mama. Kaa huko na mama. Usitoke hapo. Kaa hapo. Sasa unamwangalizia. Uko mboka?
Kuja tu.
Chacha is at work.
Kuja tu kwa sawa. Kuja straight hivyo. Hapana nyonga miguu. Kuja tu.
Lakini huku kuna space hapa
Kuna space.
Ama enda mbele kidogo.
Kuja pande.
kidogo pande hii kidogo.
Niende pande hii.
Pande hii kidogo.
Hapo. Liam, kaa na mama huko. Kaa na mama.
Kuja.
Pole pole tu.
Kwa sawa.
Kushusha ni kazi.
Kuja tu. Unatoka.
Ngoja. Ama iko. Ako sawa. Hai. Arudi juu. Yeah, it's here. It's down now. Liam. Kana mama huko. Oh. Yes sir.
Karibu
Twende 15 sasa ijaye.
15. Inajana ngapi? 60. Inajana 60.
Sasa ukiweka pale namba 15 unajaa. Unaona?
Sawa. Okay. Sawa.
Panda juu kijana.
Kaa huko Liam. Kaa na mama huko. Utaki kukaa? Hata Liam, hiyo ni kazi ya wakubwa. Si ya wadogo. Mbona unacheka? Why are you laughing? Liam. Liam ako kila mahali. Hizi pita na kitu. Au usikuje kusaidia chumba. Itakubana.
Wacha.
Tulia Liam.
Wacha itakubana.
Chacha ng'ang'ana. Kumbe uko na kazi. So these are the rails that help in alighting. It's a big truck.
Sasa naona angefanya itawe.
Wewe kumbe ulikuwa unajua. Au spande, wewe spanda. Ambia ango kupandisha. Ambia. Anataka kumpandishe. Anakuja kupandisha. Liam wants to go up the tractor. So these are the jobs. You see, like there's a tractor here. Actually, we have a lot of work. Yeah. So like farms like this, I'm sure the market is very big. So it's not like we are taking any jobs, but at least also we can get something for the family. There are big farms here. Like this is my immediate neighbor. You can see over here. Very big farms. Like there's a tractor there. I think it was the one that prepared this area. So at least we can also help. I think we'll liaise with one of them. Maybe they train our instructor here and there once the jobs begin. Hata hizo nadhani anatumianga hizo Oh. Utafungia umbwa
Chukua utakuna.
Yeye ufungia umbwa. Hiyo utafungia ka kitu. Hata pikipiki usiku kilala unafungia.
Hizo utakuja tu wakati wa kuchukua yuko mnara.
Ngoja kuja kupandisha, usipande mwenyewe, usiwe shati. Upandi. Ni ina warm. Na kuna hizi. Hiyo ni truck na overall. Hiyo ni nyepesi. Yes.
Ugeuze kitu peleke kwa.
Sina idea bado.
Kwanza hii ni kitu rahisi sana.
Wewe.
Haki ya Mungu.
Wewe.
Yaani hii iko na hukumu gani?
Najifunza polepole.
Hakuna kujifunza.
Sasa utajua aje bila kujifunza. Haya. Yeah, Liam wants to go up. Liam anapenda vitu kama hizo. Liam is up there. Songea kwa kai. Yeah. Liam, you know, is not afraid of anything. Naendesha. Itajenga pole pole. Oh. Wajenga. Unaweza kuja na hiyo kiti? Finally home. Sasa itapakiwa wapi? Hapo tu, si hapo tu nyuma. Lia anaendesha.
Mwambia aende. Mwambia aende. Haipeleke pale.
Sasa pale unajua kuna nini?
Unaona hiyo sehemu yenyewe.
Kuna gari kwa hapo. Ndio. Hapo tu ataweka tu hapo. Hakuna pa. Itapaki huko nyuma hivi. Baadaye.
Hapo nyuma na hapo kwa sababu mtu anaweza kuja rukia hapo aanze kuichokea.
Niko na umbo hapo kijaribu zitakurarua zikumeze zikuue. Hapa security ni top.
Unajua kitu si pesa mbili bwana.
Security hapa umbo mtu akijaribu kuruka. Wake wapi? Ama hapa. Ama hapa. Acha tu park hapa.
Nasto. Mwambie ready hiyo.
Acha tu aweke hapo. Huko. Iangalie hivi. Rudi hivi. Fuende hivi. Ona. Park tu na kichwa hapa. Hivi. Ukuje tu hivi. Yeah, we have almost 8 dogs. So I want him to park at least where there is camera. Yeah. Because they're going also to install some cameras here and some solar lights. I think somewhere here. Hamu rudi nyuma kidogo. Liam anaendesha. Liam is excited. How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you miss me?
So much.
I missed you too. Yeah, so this is what I had gone to bring. Yeah, I didn't want to just leave it far. At least arrive home safely. Hapo sawa. Chai simeiva tupedere. Yeah.
This is a very huge milestone.
Yeah, very huge. Very
nice investment.
Yeah. At least it will help a lot the village.
Yeah.
It will help. Hey, Leah, umefurahi?
Everything costs a lot, right?
3.6. Can imagine.
A lot.
Two of our cars. Okay. Hii. Yeah. Fungo mbili za tank. Yes.
Side mirror.
Yeah, side mirror.
Roba. Na pini zake zote. Top ring. Na pini yake.
Yes.
Everything okay.
Everything okay.
Yeah.
Aye.
Kuja.
Yes. It's pre-inspection after delivery.
Kama uliona?
Yeah.
Uone tena.
Okay.
Tuko na wewe hivi.
Yani ukweli. Battery na kila kitu intact.
Okay.
So,
you are two keys.
thank you so much. This is Mr. Matthias Ndungu. So huku ndio kwangu.
Asante.
Nashukuru sana.
Nashukuru kufika nyumbani.
Karibu sana. So kuna kachai kidogo kunye.
Sawa.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I'd already packed. So there's sugar in the truck. Okay. Leta kifungo baba, siji pote. Chacha kuna chai? Hey. Oh. Sasa siki ni kimoja, kiko na 02, haitafika. Sio iko sawa Chacha. Nakuja hapo, angalia kuna sukari hapo kwa gari. Na mkate. Ona kwa tank pale. Kunywa chai mpande na yeye. Liam pole. Hapo hivi, nadhani kuna maji.
Nini?
Ya underground ya maji. Yeah, finally back in the village. I feel more free, more happy. It's been quite some time that I left home, over a week, and we are back. Yeah, so I'm even seeing some tractor here being brought. I think Bushman is trying to collect some construction materials. Yeah, so let me say like half of the lands, maybe half, have been tilled, because even the tractors that are in our village are not able to complete like all the work. Just look at this vast land. So many people have not even tilled, but I've gotten a clue. There's one of our moms, like a retired teacher. There's one of them who has a djembe, so I'll try my best. Maybe go look for her if she can be hiring us her djembe, so that we can at least see how we can. Oh, nakuja kuitoa, so that maybe we can be hiring the djembe. So this one has the back. This one has the back. How is it called? It has the trailer. So this tractor here has the trailer. So I'll try to look for, and this one is a very big one. It's a 385. You know, most of us, we didn't know about the numbers for the tractors. I used to think that all tractors are just the same, but then once I started the process of acquiring a tractor, now I got to understand about the sizes of tractors. So this one is a Massey Ferguson 385, but these days it's very hard for you to find like the original tractors. So this one, because it's bringing stones and it's very powerful, and it's a very powerful tractor. So it's a Bushman is Bushman is on top. Tata, kuja uwashe, njoo uwashe. Sawa, njoo uwashe tuone. Haya.
Hey, Professor.
How are you, bro?
Man.
Yes.
I'm fine. Yeah,
You're good.
Yeah.
So I'm just happy to see tractor. You know, now I'm going into tractor business.
Yeah, I saw you actually. I saw you said. I think the last time you told me about the tractor.
Yeah, it has arrived.
Okay.
Yeah, it has arrived. I want him to test for us.
Oh, this guy. So
Yeah,
is
he's
it for plowing or for just?
All works. I will bring a trailer like this. So when you have these deals,
so
you
now,
tell Nasto here.
Yeah, because actually, true. Because this guy has really taken. He's
very
busy. It's, I don't know.
I met him in the morning. He was going like this. Now he's coming back with stones.
Yeah, like for me, since last week, I've been telling him, "Oh, come, just drop it."
There's a lot of work. A lot of work.
So that I'm like, I'm coming. Oh, I was there. I don't know if
you want to build a perimeter wall.
I'm not.
You know, it's possible.
It's possible, but now
yes.
You know, we go step by step.
Oh,
you know,
step by
you,
step.
The good thing you did, you started.
Yeah,
with
you started. Yeah, you collect materials slowly.
You see, with me, I started with fencing, just fencing temporarily.
Even me, I did temporary.
And
like this, and then I removed, and then I put the perimeter wall. So it's
so that shows
it's step by step. Yeah, you see, even these days, tippers are very hard to find.
It's very hard.
At least now there's a tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Mr. Bushman. I'm on penye wanaek. Yes. So you can see, guys. Actually, like this is the truck I met in the morning when it was coming this way. It had firewood, and now you can see it has the trailer. So it's very hard for you to like park, as long as you have a very good operator. So the challenge is an operator. That's the biggest challenge, but we pray to God that at least, like that man has had experience for more than 20-30 years. He's been riding that truck. It's a Massey Ferguson 385, very powerful. I think this one could be a little bit smaller than that, but a good thing, this one is a 4-wheel. So this is the state of our home. It's very dry. So dry, just look at the grass, very dry. Even our kitchen garden, I'm even like very sad. Ngoja kwanza baba. I'm very sad about also our kitchen garden. You can see it's dry. Very dry, very dry. Yeah, also the tractor can be helping us, like bringing manure. Once I buy it maybe from some homes, we can be transporting it to a home. I believe it will help us like big time. Apart from maybe commercial use, we can also be using it for our own transportation here at home. Maybe weekends when it's not so busy. We bring fertilizer, we put even in our grass. Yeah, I brought Liam some strawberry, but unfortunately I didn't package them well, so they went bad. So Liam has thrown them in the farm here to grow. So I don't know if they will grow. They are very many. I brought a package, but I think the journey was too long. There are those red spots. Yeah, zitamea. So, zikuwe mti kubwa, chune strawberry. He has been singing to me every day. Strawberry, strawberry. So when I found them, I bought them. But I think the temperatures were too high. So this is our home. We're also planning on resuming construction. This is our house over here. We have not yet finished everything. So let me take you in also to show you how far we have moved. Yeah, how far we have moved. Hey, Liam, Mr. Chacha.
How is you, my friend?
I'm good, I'm good. You said you have to show up.
Yeah.
Yes, welcome.
That's good. Very excellent.
He's very excellent.
Excellent. Because they told me that you are not coming now.
Yes.
I told him he's not there.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I was a little bit busy.
Yeah.
I was bringing this machine.
Very excellent.
Very excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah, peleka hiyo basi. Yeah, big tire. Yeah, so we have some water, but it's not that much. So let me take you in and show you. Actually, I'm also planning on resuming plastering. I had really neglected my house, but a good thing we have sand, we have some small water, we have bags. We have, I think, 15 bags. Hopefully they have not gone bad. So come Monday, we will be doing our plastering. Yeah, I think they're still okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, they're very much okay. At least we raised them using this, so they cannot go bad easily. So this is our house. We had also post the construction process. We were going on with plastering. So this is the outer area, especially to the new subscribers. My target was to plaster the front area. Also, we had taken our windows to the welding guy. Unfortunately, I had traveled, so today or tomorrow I have to rush there. We go and see the process of our windows so that we finish them. Yeah, so this is the house. Yeah, so some parts have been plastered, some rooms, some have not. So the windows coming, I think we will fix them here and maybe these two, and then we plaster this room, maybe the door frames. Umeshamlipa? Yes, here our kwani kuku zangu zingine zilienda wapi? Lazima separate. Unaona kama hii naumu. Hizi ndogo ndogo zitolewe huko.
Kuna kichwa kime.
Yeah, hizo kubwa zinaweza zinayuma. Amuka uani, ni kuku tu. Shuka mura.
Hivi ndio vifanyo vya
vile I'm not seeing some 2 of my chicks. Jamani kungoja sijui mlipe. Sasa mimi na 100 sasa. Mwambie akupe 100. Liam, tulia basi. Chill Liam. Relax baba. Hey, I'm not seeing my 2 white chicks. So I don't know where they went to, because you know we have to make sure everything we left is intact. So there are some 2 very special chicks. They were white in color that I'm not seeing around here. Yeah, we also have some poultry. We also have some turkeys, some chicks. Yeah. They also fight a lot. They fight too much. Iko sawa Leo. Yeah. So that's the state. Things are disorganized here and there. Yeah, there's also this one here. It's laying on the eggs. You know, Liam is all over. So they fight a lot. We also have some turkeys, but these ones I'm seeing are not so bad, because I even collected some eggs here and there. Umempea? Akona 100? Akona ngapi? Oh. Yeah, so that's how our home is. It's very hot although So these are the chairs that we came with. I think I'll have to somehow paint them, varnish clear, or I'll even take them in my bedroom. Yeah, so things are not so bad. It's only that it's very hot, very hot in our home. Like the kitchen garden has said no. I think when the rains begin, we'll have to start over. I think when I left for a week, at least when I was here, I used to water every single day. You know, now that I've left, my kitchen garden has somehow disappeared. But also the sun is too much. It's very hot. But I also brought a solar pump, so we'll try to fix it. We'll see whether it can help us to pump the water somehow to the compound and everywhere. Yeah, so we are here, but we appreciate home. Everything is going on. So this is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has already been plastered. Yeah, we're also trying our best. I think now it's purely dry. This is how the master bedroom looks like, but we are planning on putting the some blendering above here. I think from next week I'll be more serious, more determined. These are the timbers. I hope they're not extra dry. I just hope so. I hope they are still very intact. They're quite a number. We are going to buy some dinner. So here also, I hope there will be enough. These ones and this. So it's a four bedroom house. It's quite big, but we are going to resume soon. Also, I'm seeing there's a neighbor of ours. Actually, she's from the US. On the other side, I think on my next video, I'll go and visit them. Get to see the progress, because they had invited us before I had left. So on the other end, they're also building their dream home. Very many people are moving back into villages, especially in Nyabuhansi village. A lot of people are buying land in our community. Yeah, hopefully someday we'll have like piped water, electricity, just to make things a little bit easy for us. But we thank God for all the progress. So this is the main entrance. The sitting room is over here, or the living room. We have the dining over here. It's an open plan kitchen. The kitchen will be here. This is the storage of our kitchen. This is the back porch of our house. We also have bedroom number 1 here. It's not yet plastered, but we are going to plaster it. We also have bedroom number 2 here, bathroom, third bedroom, and now the master bedroom. Yeah, it's not so big, but at least it's a spacious house. At least we'll be able to accommodate our whole family. Yeah, so officially our tractor has arrived. Happy to be home. Yeah, get to see how we can get the other equipment. Zunguka tukutane. Yeah, get to see how we can get to see how we can access sawa na kungoja hapa. Kitty looks dusty. I don't know where she sleeps. This is our cat. Yeah, so I think he has some injuries on the ears. Yeah, it's getting older. I don't know how the lifespan of cats, how long. You can see the way it's dry, very dry. Even our turkeys, they're not having anything to eat. But we hope once all the lands are tilled, we hope that you're going to get some rains. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.